Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all features for the camera Pro mode on a Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So we need to open the camera, and that way we can see the Pro mode on the left, Pro mode on the left right here. And now all of the settings are visible. So here you have white balance. You can change it like that. Focus, you can use auto also. There's shutter speed, aperture for your camera, ISO, balance, and if we reset all of the settings right now, we should have EV, evaluation of the camera. There's flash available, frame average, and spot metering, and center weighted camera lens. You can add the filter for your photos. In the settings you can change aspect ratio, add the timer for the photo, use the grid lines, use focus peaking and exposure verification. And that's basically all of the settings you can find for the camera on this device in the Pro mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.